Da gajing Shimkhia ke Ujor halor gajing biteng gajing ti khyndew beaiñ ha ki bobun kisnong ki bahap apo ke thaiñ Raid Marwet. Ha ke shetrek uno apra ar pusan kinong ilam jukol Raid Marwet People's Federation ARMPF. Kilali ben Ujor syau Deputy Commissioner ke District Riboy bat bandawaru ban Shimkhia ban pensenge nomor dor ya kene ke kam ha kene ke thaiñ. Ha kene gajing Ujor syau Deputy Commissioner nakaliang ke ARMPF. Dalam kemat Presiden uba ring so pedang u komal syakwa uba secretary lambat kiwe gidkhot kibla IT de jing tho ban Ujor halo kene ke jingti khyndew beaiñ ha kathan Marwet ya kabala IT hau Abilash Baranwal uba deputy commissioner habakran hakilat patai kubor uba ring so pedang kalor kiwe ginong yalam kilapan pau ke jing Shimkhia ke Bajor halor ka jingjor ka kamti khyndew beaiñ ha gibabun teli gibenta jong kathan Raid Marwet bat wat harut keserok ba National Highway kata nado jora bat terter syado Khanapara. Kilapan pauru bagene ke kamti khyndew kala kata askadai egipat ba nongsong snong jogene kathan namar bon kilamat ke jing kurdoom ke jing penjakliai kamariang bat wat ke jing sleium ke masyarkai. Da ke babenrap ru bawat ba ke asam kala keno ke jing ti khyndew ha ke Raid Marwet bagajuan ra ke jing sleium ha Guwahati. Syuru nak kalian kinong yalam gila benrap babun kinong chong snong kene kathan kim dai ki badan baem banti deng ba kita ki kor ki bor kumba ki dan katu kene ki riau dan spa bade kene ka kamti khyndew la keno bala shule da ki riau he spa ki bakwan man to shimet kumta ki la karpat ki bor kaan bagin Shimkhia ban toket kene ka kamti khyndew beaiñ ha kathan Raid Marwet bat ki lapan pauru bawala la da ban Ujor syau ranger ketenat forest ha khat armer ndai kam shimla dan satya kanu kajing Shimkhia. Na kaliang Deputy Commissioner habagran biginong thok kubor ulapan pau baulayo agane kajing Ujor halor kajing don ki kamti khyndew beaiñ ha Raid Marwet bagkumta unsa Shimkhia ban pentip syaki bor bahalor ketenat forest ban penlong ya kajing toket. Bala dalap kajing shisha na kaliang ki bor ke distrik insa Shimpat ya ki lat ki lenti ki bateng e.
Isu penat bat ikendu pat bisi Kular Shimkhia ya ka komplain jonge ke ba kathong jongi keseng ba ye kite ginong nakete ga area maiguli ba ki high level ki ba ot ndoma telong ka Shimkhia yang ye kum keseng namar ba pun sing yo e nakete ka tembat nur jongi ka du syak kena ba kamtam na ki baru kamtam ye ka jelar ki ong he ba tarat nomor ki selong kumne kum taima te sakawe na kinong song snong ru ba ni hapakhat kum kaliang keseng namar pa no manta ki ot khyndew telong ka kaduna ba te hadin kaduna te bapli kim pat gormo ban le kum bale maki ban sina boring yo i mentah ga kimra jongi nomor don ki bakam don pa ki sina da boring da te sakawe dangi ilap bet bakin ot khyndew te ka jong tiro baki judi ro kanong saw te sakawe ka pollution ro kata ya kamariang te ya kata i condemn ha minom ilap bakin ot ikane khyndew namar ka panjot ya kamariang.
So today we came to DC office Nongpo. We are from All Raid Marwet People Federation. We have raised an issue regarding earth cutting in our Raid Marwet area. Because of the earth cutting, our wells are getting dry. We have facing a lot problem of flood, and soil erosion and all. Our lands are getting less fertile. Poor people and all, they don't have money to boring and all. They depend on wells, or because of the land cutting, lots of wells has been dry up. So that's our issue. So the DDC has told us that he forwarded this, for the DDC will forward our application to the forest department. After that, forest department, whatever they reply, DC gonna forward that report to us.
All Raid Marwet People Federation, they met and submitted one complaint regarding some alleged illegal earth cutting activities going on in Maithili and nearby villages. Per se, it falls in the domain of DFO territorial. So we have just received the complaint. We'll have to ascertain the facts. So I'll forward the matter to DFO and seek inquiry report from them to be able to proceed further. I'll have to check if it is still valid, because generally these orders issued under Section 163 are valid for 6 months. So we had issued orders during monsoon season, especially in light of the landslides that are triggered because of the uncontrolled earth cutting activities or unscientific earth cutting activities across the near the highway regions and PWD roads. So that order was passed with regard to controlling the landslides that may be triggered because of these earth cutting, but then whether they are still in operation or not, that will have to